Rock Smokeless Grill, guys. Look what it has. It has a place where you can actually keep your vegetables warm on both sides. This is a place where we're going to grill, and it has holes where the drippings fall in. But it also has a little spot where you add water, so this way whatever fat falls into the grill will not create any smoke in your house. So I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to open it up for the first time. I do have some veggies already. I'm going to try this baby out. Let's see, what do we have? We have a booklet, a little bit of styrofoam. How do we open? Oh, here we go. Here's our, it's got an adjustable dial and plug. It has our grill pan, which I'm going to remove from, and it's the Rock. You know what that means? That means nothing sticks on it. That means that your food is going to slide right through. So, okay, we're going to put our beautiful tray in. And that's where we're going to end up putting water. And this goes in. There's a little place right here where you put in the plug end. So I guess that would go in first. And then we're going to... There, that's simple. Wow, this is really simple. And here is our plug. Okay, so plug goes in this way. Okay, so plug is a prong, and it's got 2 holes, and it has a dial where you can adjust, and a marking where that's off, and then you could adjust your temperature. Pretty cool. Okay, so we're going to plug her in and plug her into my outlet. I'm excited. So I'm going to blast her up because I like my vegetables grilled quickly, but not so soggy. So I'm going to put her up on high heat. Oh wow, and it heats up really fast too. Okay, this is great. So I'm going to add some water into that part. Let me turn it around. I like it easier. So we have her on high. So I'm going to... Yeah, this gets hot really, really fast. Now this is, okay, this section here and this section here is warmer than this section right there. Okay, this is good. So we are going to add some water. So I'm going to start off with my beautiful asparagus. And we've got some oyster mushrooms. We have a hot pepper. We've got some zucchini slices, and we're going to see where this takes us. I have it nice and high, and as I can see, there's hardly any smoke whatsoever. This is crazy. I remember one time I had a grill, and the amount of smoke it made, it was like it would just fumigate my kitchen. But as you can see, there's hardly any smoke whatsoever. And I hope you're going to enjoy this as much as I'm enjoying it right now. You see what's happening here. Look at that. Grill marks and all. This is crazy. Beautiful. And if you find that it's too high, just lower your heat, guys. Look at that. Smokeless grill. Do you see how there's hardly any smoke? I'm very impressed. And check your water level. If you see that it's starting to smoke up a little, all you have to do is just add a little extra water to the bottom. So there you go, guys.